Welcome to another tutorial from MME Chicago Design Studios, where we make marketing easy. Today we're going to look at canerods.com, specifically how to log into the website and edit a project tab. Here we see the website. From here, in the upper right-hand corner, we're going to select Login. We'll place our username and password and click Login. The username and password will have been sent to staff members in an email. We are redirected to the dashboard. From the dashboard, we will then find the Projects tab. Once in the Projects tab, we will see a list of all of the projects that we have uploaded or created. There's a title, category, tag, and when it was published. Notice that Rod 1 and Rod 2 have the same title. If we'd like to edit this particular project, we need only hover over the title, and some options will appear: View, Trash, Quick Edit, and Edit. Let's edit Rod 1. Once on the editing screen, we'll see what we're editing. We're editing a project and the title. We'll also see the URL of where you can access this particular page. We're in our page builder, as you can see here. In our page builder, we have created a variety of easy drag and drop modulations. Here you can see I'm dragging a section that's on top that has a background image of a piece of wood. Let's take a look at how the back end and the layout here compares to the real thing. Under the Publish tab on the right, I can select Preview Changes. This will open a new tab at the top of your web browser. In here, we'll see the layout. Here we see in Rod 1 we have Otter Creek Special as the title. It's a two-piece rod. We have a rod summary, a gallery of images to browse through, and some projects. Let's head back over to the first tab and take a look. Here we see Otter Creek Title, Bamboo Projects, Gallery, and Portfolio. The layout on our back end is similar to the layout on our front end. Full width, half and half, full width. Full width, half and half, full width. Anytime you would like to edit the contents of any of these gray bars, what we call modules, you need to only select the 3 bars on the left-hand side. By clicking it, you get a number of options. Quite like Microsoft Word, you're able to use a visual presenter in order to make some basic edits. You could select text, for instance, and underline the word, or ununderline it. You can put it in quotes. You can add a list item. You can select from a variety of headings and sizes of text. Make it bold, italicized, or strike through, for instance. We can change Bamboo Project Summary by coming in under Visual Editor. Please be aware that the text editor is very important, as it allows you to make HTML edits that affect the display of content. For instance, if I were to get rid of this div and save and preview changes, you'll see a couple of things happen. We have broken the theme structure with our edit. In order to rectify that, we'll have to add that back in. By doing so, everything should be back to normal. In this particular case, a few edits are necessary. It automatically deleted the bottom div, so we'll have to add that back in and preview changes. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to get it to work. What am I ever to do? Well, we've created a really cool little save feature. If I click on Load Layouts and select our Otter Creek project layout, it automatically returns things to new. Let's click Update and Preview. From here we'll notice everything is returned to normal. So if you make a mistake in editing, either in the text or the visual format, be sure to load the format for that particular page. If you'd like, you can save your own formats before you get started. And load that layout whenever you'd like. In this case, we'll delete that layout. And that's how easy it is. By selecting projects, logging in and selecting projects, and selecting the 3 lines, you're able to come in under Visual or Text Editing view and edit your text. That concludes our tutorial on logging in and using the Projects tab to edit project content.